Welcome friends to Planet of Play. Look at this little cutie we have here. This is a Hyojo and this is the blow pop version. Bubblegum. Okay, so we're gonna have a cute little figure in here, a cuddly figure. It says collect them all. We can get red, blue, or pink. I wonder which one we're going to get. Let's pull this here and open our tab. Ooh, the wrapping paper is so cute. Look, ooh. Wonder which one we got. I can't wait to find out. Oh, let's see. Ooh, I'm pretty sure, yes, this is the red one. It looks kind of like a bright neon pink mixed with red. Wow, look at the glitter. Squishy. Has a hard little face, hard little feet, hard cute bubblegum. Up here is where the lollipop stick would be. Ooh, very, very squishy. It would be awesome to get the blue or the pink. Well, thank you for watching this unboxing. Subscribe for more toys and fun.